that sun's gonna be a killer right here. Great shot though. Making noise. Now that's how you leave a car show, in case anybody's asking. There's a bunch of Biden supporters right here, I bet. You ladies gonna get run over. Watch out for these crazies. all Biden supporters, I guarantee it. What a great place. This is the best shot. But that sun, not so good. Let's see if I can't bring it down a little. Here we go. We're on. Everybody making noise. Except me. Next time. I didn't know this was going on. This is a once in a month event, I found out. I knew nothing about it, but I do now. And it's epic. I'm telling you, it's epic. There's got to be 300-400 cars today. So much for COVID, huh? We're tired of it. We want to get out. Sideways. Let's see. Look at. Lining up for the next lot. What a honey hole this turned out to be. Beautiful cars here, beautiful. All driven, not static displayed. Everyone driven. Including mine, if I was, my father wanted to come, so I didn't drive my car, brought a truck, got all set up. And he was still having breakfast. It wasn't about to be early. Somebody show up for the camera. Yeah, four-door El Camino right there, folks. The only one. Guarantee it. The most ridiculous thing I've ever seen. How to destroy a vehicle. Okay, we got more coming. Man, so much content on this. There's a honey hole content. So many cars. need to do, and this is for my assistant to do, is give me some business cards made up with my YouTube channel on them to hand out to these guys who love to see the car in videos. I'm telling you. Ooh, that smells like rubber. That sun is getting to us. I better move. One of these guys, I'm gonna be like Danny O. Rest him, is that Danny O or Dano? Dano, who died last on Christmas from a street race that went out of control. Rest in peace, Dano. We're thinking about you and learning at the same time, getting out of the way. It's going to be one of these Mustangers. Good from the sun. Oh, that's nice of somebody. Biden supporter, probably. Okay. Let's check this area. Let's check this side. I hope I locked my truck. Got my GoPro in there. Oh, rubber exhaust tubes. Turn around, gotta turn around, gotta turn around. Excuse me. Oh. I need some water. It's right in the middle of my tea this morning. Oh, come on, there's gotta be more. Comes at 57. Awesome. Here comes that 57. This is that was fast Jack Beckman's El Camino. Look at all these Biden supporters got off the road. I told them, you get run over. Look at them. Be safe. Be safe. Find your cry closet and be safe. That's a cry closet right there off the side of the road. Oh, they're so loud. Oh. They're probably, no, I don't want to say, that's mean. I won't say that. Saying a prayer for dead dinosaurs. I'm not going to say that. That's almost it. Here comes Steve. White Challenger, but that's looking like it. We'll do Steve. This is El Camino with the green flames. Steve, if you're watching this, flames are red or yellow. Don't tell him. This will be our little secret. Here it comes. Well, come on, let's hit it, Steve. Hit it. Hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. There's a big chance. Okay. Oh, meat wagon rolling. And it looks like it's going to do it. Look at all my fans, all 2 of them. Okay, that's going to do it for this video.